The future of urban transportation has already begun to take shape, and the vision of flying cars that once lived only in science fiction is now emerging in reality. The Chinese automaker GAC has made waves around the world with its groundbreaking flying vehicle known as ough. This machine represents a bold leap into the next generation of mobility, a hybrid creation that can operate both as a traditional road vehicle and as an aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing. Ough's design is unlike anything seen before. The entire system can separate into two functional parts, a ground chassis and a detachable flight cabin. When used on roads, it behaves much like a regular electric car, quiet, smooth, and efficient. But when the need arises, the cabin can lift away from the chassis and take to the skies. Powered by 12 propellers arranged across 6 axes, the engineering brilliance lies in the seamless transition between these two modes. Once airborne, the ground chassis doesn't simply sit idle. It transforms into a mobile charging platform capable of supporting the cabin once it returns. After takeoff, the chassis autonomously travels to the nearest charging station to replenish its energy reserves, preparing for the next flight cycle. When the cabin returns from its flight, a highly sophisticated communication system ensures a flawless reconnection. The automated docking process guarantees precise alignment and safe landing, reducing human error and ensuring operational efficiency. This innovative workflow not only enhances ough's practicality, but also drastically cuts down turnaround time between flights, a glimpse into a future where personal flying vehicles could become as routine as owning a car today, while China is forging ahead with these developments. Other major players in the tech and automotive industries are also making bold moves. Tesla, the company synonymous with innovation in electric mobility, has recently found itself in a challenging position. Falling sales numbers, supply chain disruptions, and rising global competition have created pressure to innovate beyond conventional limits. Yet, in true Tesla fashion, the company is not backing down, it's doubling down. Insiders have revealed that Tesla recently held a confidential event, closed to the public, where a select audience was shown some of the company's most secretive upcoming projects. Elon Musk himself was in attendance, personally presenting Tesla's vision for the future. Among the prototypes displayed, one caught everyone's attention: Tesla's first-ever flying car. Alongside it, Musk reportedly unveiled the company's concept for its very first airplane. Sources claim that Tesla's leadership was highly satisfied with the outcome of the showcase and has already approved further development. According to these insiders, an official announcement is expected soon, where Tesla will publicly reveal details about these groundbreaking vehicles' creations that could once again redefine both the automotive and aviation industries. But Tesla isn't the only global tech giant setting its sights on the sky. The Japanese powerhouse Sony, known for its achievements in electronics, robotics, and entertainment, has decided to enter the flying transport race as well. While official specifications and designs remain under wraps, information from company insiders confirms that Sony has begun conceptual work on a futuristic flying car. Fans and independent designers have already started visualizing what a Sony flying car could look like. Their renderings show a sleek, aerodynamic craft infused with Sony's trademark aesthetic precision, smooth surfaces, futuristic lines, and a cockpit loaded with cutting-edge technology. Many speculate that Sony's model will include advanced sensor arrays, integration with artificial intelligence, and possibly even augmented reality features within the cockpit for enhanced control and safety. The combination of Sony's experience in robotics, imaging systems, and digital design makes this move not only logical but potentially revolutionary. It invites the question: would the world embrace a flying vehicle created by one of the most iconic tech companies on Earth? Meanwhile, China continues to dominate the global landscape in the development of flying cars. One of its most ambitious creations is the land aircraft carrier designed by the company XPeng Aero-HT. This modular aerial vehicle was unveiled at the 2025 CES Technology Show and quickly captured worldwide attention, receiving over 3,000 pre-orders within months. Deliveries are expected to begin as early as 2026, signaling how fast the industry is moving from concept to reality. The land aircraft. Carrier's design follows a dual-module structure. The ground component, known as the mothership, is a robust three-axle, six-wheel vehicle featuring a full 6x6 all-wheel drive system with rear-wheel steering. Despite its size, it's designed to fit comfortably into normal parking spaces and even underground garages, an impressive engineering feat. The aerial component, by contrast, is light, nimble, and built for flight. It features 6 rotors mounted on foldable arms with dual-duct systems to enhance lift and control. Constructed from high-strength carbon fiber composites, the flying module offers both rigidity and lightness. The cockpit features a panoramic 270-degree field of vision, giving passengers an expansive and cinematic view of their surroundings. This aircraft supports both manual and autonomous flight modes, letting users either pilot the craft themselves or relax while the onboard AI takes over. It's this combination of autonomy, safety, and convenience that makes XPN's innovation. It's one of the most anticipated in the urban air mobility sector across the globe. Another company is capturing attention with a radically different vision: Bellwether Industries from the United Kingdom. Their creation, called Volor, is being described as one of the most futuristic electric flying vehicles in existence. Volor embodies the concept of a flying hypercar, targeting private ownership rather than commercial use. The craft is designed for 2 passengers seated in tandem, much like a sports motorcycle. To emphasize agility and aerodynamics, what makes Volor stand out is its elegance. All propulsion components, including its ducted fans and electric drive systems, are hidden beneath a smooth, streamlined body. The result is an aircraft that looks like it has emerged straight from a science fiction film: clean, refined, and visually seamless. When Bellwether showcased Volor at the Dubai Air Show, demonstrated stable flight performance at speeds reaching 40 kilometers per hour. However, the company's plans for the production model are far more ambitious. They aim for top speeds of around 220 kilometers per hour, with a flight duration ranging between 1 and 1.5 hours. Despite its capability, the aircraft will remain compact, with an estimated wingspan of only 3.2 meters, making it ideal for urban environments where space is limited, but innovation in flying. Transportation isn't just the domain of major corporations. Across the world, independent engineers, hobbyists, and small startups are joining the race to conquer the skies. Advances in 3D printing, powerful lightweight batteries, and accessible open-source software have democratized innovation, enabling creative minds to build prototypes in garages and small workshops that can rival the output of billion-dollar companies. These innovators are crafting all kinds of flying machines, from single-passenger drones to air taxis capable of short urban commutes. Some designs are strikingly efficient, showcasing clever aerodynamic configurations, lightweight composite materials, and advanced digital control systems. Unlike corporate labs bound by regulation and bureaucracy, these independent engineers enjoy creative freedom, experimenting with unconventional propulsion methods and radical design concepts. Their fearless approach allows them to move faster, pivot quickly, and sometimes outpace larger firms in specific innovations. Their work demonstrates that the evolution of air mobility isn't just being shaped in high-tech labs, but also in the imaginative minds of individual visionaries around the world. Even Russia has joined the competition with a bold new project. A company called Transport of the Future has recently introduced an unmanned air taxi named S700, a design meant to redefine urban commuting. The S700 aims to eliminate ground-level traffic congestion by offering a safe, autonomous flight alternative. The S700's engineering combines simplicity and sophistication. It uses a multi-copter design powered by 16 propeller motors that provide high levels of stability, maneuverability, and redundancy, essential features for safety in urban flight. The aircraft can carry 2 passengers at a time and reach an altitude of up to 3,500 meters. Though its ideal operating height is closer to 300 meters, the S700 can achieve speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour and cover distances of up to 30 kilometers per trip. Each flight lasts between 15 and 25 minutes on a single battery charge, which makes it well suited for short city hops rather than long-distance travel. The project underscores how the line between drones and passenger aircraft is becoming increasingly blurred. As these developments unfold across different countries, traditional aerospace companies are also pushing their frontiers. Recently, footage surfaced online showing test flights of one of Lockheed Martin's most secretive and advanced aircraft projects, the SR-72. This hypersonic reconnaissance and strike aircraft is being developed under Lockheed Martin's highly classified Skunk Works program, the same division responsible for some of the most legendary aircraft in history, including the SR-71 Blackbird. Dubbed the Son of Blackbird, the SR-72 is designed to be a next